Welcome to the Fashion Meraki Connect. And as you all know, Fashion Meraki Connect is all about connecting with people who are associated with Fashion Meraki. And today, we are in conversation with Nancy Dadwal, who is the winner of Miss Capital of India 2019. Welcome, Nancy, and tell us something about who Nancy is.
So thank you for welcoming me, ma'am. And it's always nice talking to you and seeing you every time. I feel so blessed whenever I talk to you. So yeah, if this girl Nancy you want to know about, so Nancy is a very bubbly, jolly kind of person who always stay positive in her life. Whatever negative goes around, it goes, but still she'll try to take advantage of from the negative thing again, and she'll try to convert that in a positive way. So yeah, and as a person I am always helpful, and I I love modeling and I love to dance. So whatever keeps me happy, like whenever I want to be happy and I'm feeling a little sad, so I'll be I'll start dancing and I'll prepare a song and then I'll start dancing and I'll upload it and then I'll see to comments. Okay, so yeah, I am a good dancer. Yeah, I can do this. So yeah, so Nancy is a very bubbly and jolly person and very positive person in life.
I know that, Nancy, and I really want to know that, as you just said that you are a very positive person. So how did you, pass your time in this lockdown? How did you keep yourself positive, and what all did you do during this lockdown? Because I know everybody was actually going towards the negative side. So I want to know, what kept you positive? Because I know that you also live alone. So how did you manage it?
Yeah, yeah. So it is a very big secret. You can say again, that as I told you, when I heard that lockdown is there, so then I thought that I'll invest all the time in myself. And I'll give all the time to me, and I'll try. I started the myself. I started uh, reading about digital marketing more and more, because I'll be sharing with you later that what I'm doing nowadays, little about that. So yeah, I started grooming myself more and more. I started as I was having enough time, so I started. To stay more active on social media profiles, because it is again helpful for us. So yeah, that ways. And I invested all the time in myself, and I stay alone, I know that. But whenever anyone asks me, so how's the lockdown going, I always say, I always used to say, you can say that yeah, it's going great, it's going good, it's going good for me. So they used to ask you, what's the secret of this, like how you're so positive? I said, because I do meditation in the morning. I used to lie about this. Maybe I'm doing or not. It doesn't matter. So, I am doing meditation, I am doing exercising, I am doing, so all this I did basically. And I invested all the time in myself, all the time, like to groom myself. I started online classes. So I'm giving online classes also. So that was again another investment which I did. Yeah, and staying active on the social media profiles. This was again one achievement. I did that all. Yeah. So it was a good time period for me. Yeah. And
So
taking it in a very positive.
that's actually really nice, because I remember, speaking to you sometime back when the lockdown was going on, and I heard all this, and that's the reason I wanted the viewers also to know as to how Nancy kept herself positive during the pandemic. So,
Yeah.
Nancy, this was all about Nancy. Now, I also want to know, how you connected with Fashion Miraki. So, what made you connect with Fashion Miraki? How did you enter Fashion Miraki? And so let's start about, as to how you entered Fashion Miraki.
So yeah, I can say first thing which I want to share with all the viewers, that Fashion Miraki is a kind of blessing to me, and it came as a blessing in my life, and it again changed my life. So I entered in Fashion Miraki. I was just searching online and just saw the profile. You can enter a pageant and you can do the registration. And as I have shared with you, that it was my childhood dream to become a beauty queen, and to participate in pageants, uh, you know if you can say modeling. So my thing which I want to do always in modeling, to participate, to try and participate in more and more pageants, so that I can learn a lot of things from there. So yeah, that's how I started, and then I registered myself, and later on, you can say that I got selected also. Yeah, so I entered through the online sites only, and then after entering, it was just wonderful experience for me. It just changed my life, and you and Karan sir both are always blessings to me and very close to me. Yeah, so you both, as mentors of the pageant world, you changed a lot. Yeah, so
Thank you
it's
so much for that compliment. So, Nancy, I mean, I want to know step by step as to, how was your journey with Fashion Mirage, right from the auditions to
yeah,
the grooming and then becoming the, beauty queen. So, what
yeah.
was the journey like, and what all did you learn? I mean, something about the entire journey.
Yeah, okay. So I'll start with the auditions. That I was so much excited for the auditions, and I always think black is my favorite color. So I wore black that day again. And I came for the audition. And when I came for the audition, I saw there are so many girls, sitting. And but always one thing which is always there in my mind, that you have to be kind to yourself, and you have to believe in yourself. It doesn't matter who is and who else is there, and it doesn't matter, sometimes you don't need to better than other person, but you just need to be the best version of yourself. So
Exactly.
yeah, I thought that in my mind only that time, sitting there again, and I gave the audition. And walking that way. And as I prepared my, that introduction part, I actually I did not prepare for it, because I know when you do preparations you can forget. So I always want to be real from inside. So in the introduction part, I was very good at that time also, because I gave my introduction in a very good way. And I did not had to think or do any kind of changes in my speech which I had to give during the introduction time. So it was something real which was coming from inside. And as I come from Himachal, it's not that big state, you can say, or the area where I live, that you can come and fly your way, and can spread your wings to all this industry. But yeah, still I never looked back, and I just came here, and I just came for all this, I can say. And yeah, so I gave my speech, and it was all coming from inside. So yeah, I saw that time that you were sitting there, and you asked me a question that time, that
Okay.
so what is your favorite place where you want to go and roam around in future? So I again answered that it's Himachal only, because I think Himachal is the beautiful place in the entire world. So yeah, till the time I'll not be completing my area, I'll not move forward anywhere.
That's nice. So
Yeah.
this was auditions, and then what happened in the grooming? What all happened in the grooming?
Yeah, then after auditions, I got selected, and I got an email that yeah, you were selected and you have to come. So I got so much excited and was very happy that yeah, I am selected now and I have to go. So I started preparing myself. I standing in the mirror, in front of the mirror. I always used to practice this the walks, and searching it on YouTube, and doing things. And then I started standing in front of the mirror, and I started preparing myself, and also get holding the
Okay.
trophy in my hand, and like talking to myself and answering there, holding the trophy, that yes, this was the reason that I won this competition. So I started doing that. I started preparing. I started all the exercises and everything to make myself more fit. So yeah. And the best thing which I remember is standing in front of the mirror,
Hmm.
and keeping any bottle in my hand, and talk to myself only, that I am the winner now, and I am giving this speech, and I'm saying these words.
That's the best practice. Is basically, of course, standing in front of the mirror and always practice what you really want to, say or do. So that's one of the best practices, and that's actually a lesson to all the viewers also. that you cannot just overnight think of entering a pageant and just go and enter it. You need to do a lot of preparation before you enter a pageant. Though of course, we as as the directors and as the team of Fashion Miraki would be helping you in future when you enter the pageant. We will be of course training and grooming you, but then of course that preparation should be coming from within. So that inclination to learn would be coming from within, and that's what I believe Nancy made you the winner. So
Yeah,
I mean,
because I
during the training, what all did you learn, and what was one of the best I mean session you would say that you loved that session and you learned a lot from that session?
Actually, I can't select any one session because all these sessions were extremely good to me. I am a questionable girl. So, I always ask questions if there is any doubt to me. Yeah. So every session was good to me because Fashion Miraki is conducting very good session for her, for their, the girls. And there is nothing which I think I cannot select specifically any session and saying that this was better, because all these sessions were conducting in a very good way. And all the sessions, all the people who were giving and this and making us learn everything, so all of them were very good to us, and they made us learn so many things. So I don't have specific one session, but yes, one session which Ankit Nagpal, he gave to us. There he said one very good line, that whenever you are answering to something, your judge who's sitting in front of you can judge it in a very good way what you're trying to do. So try to be real to yourself, don't try to be over doing things, and just be real to yourself. So I followed that thing, and it was there in my mind when I was answering my question answer round. So yeah, so I did that and I did follow
That's
that. Yeah,
actually
but
true, because people become very diplomatic when they're answering the question. Maybe
yeah,
that answer that they're giving does not relate to their personality, and just
yes,
for the I mean, for being socially correct, they answer some questions which is, I mean, very different from their
yeah,
personality. So of course, a
yeah,
judge sitting opposite to you can definitely read it. So you should always be honest, and you should always give answers which relate to you. So
yeah,
yes, that's absolutely the truth. So Nancy, I want to ask you one more thing here. As you being a Miss contestant, and you being, I mean, your age is such that you're just stepping into the field of fashion, and you've not seen the world so much. How comfortable did Fashion Miraki make you feel? I mean, were you always comfortable and safe over there? I mean, how did you feel?
like how I felt, yeah, I was always comfortable. I think I can always say, and maybe the viewers will be saying that she's only praising about Fashion Miraki, but I can say that Fashion Miraki deserves to be praised all the time, because I entered the pageant and I saw everything myself. I invested in, not we invested our time. You invested your time. Karan sir invested his time. Mentors invested their time. So everything is very comfortable, very good. And I must say this to all the pageant aspirants, that you should go to a pageant. You don't think twice. If you are good enough, you will be the winner. And whatever and wherever you want to go, and whichever, I can say, the pageant you want to participate, just do a quick check over that pageant, learn about that pageant, and then apply. Because without knowledge, like, you cannot pass one exam. So the same way you cannot pass, everything is exam in your life. So you have to be prepared. You have to prepare yourself.
I second you on that, Nancy, that you should make your research. I always say that
Yeah.
just don't enter the pageant by the name. You should always research about the pageant. How did you research, Nancy? What all did you see?
Yeah, so first, before going to this, I can say, I was completing like my thing, that the most comfortable and the most good platform you guys can see is Fashion Miraki. They'll be the most comfortable person. There's a person whose name is Divya Jan, and there's a person whose name is Karan. So, they'll be the most comfortable, they'll make you the most comfortable. And I have said this earlier as well in my few sessions, that you give preference to everyone. You look after every single contestant. You never let anyone feel that that person is most important or that is least important. So the equal importance is given to every contestant. So the most comfortable and the most good hiking is the best platform. So yeah.
Thank
And then
you so much.
now,
We really want honest feedbacks, Nancy, just not that, you're sitting in front of me. So I really don't want any, I really want an honest conversation here, okay? So,
yeah, this is honest, is honest, and that's why I am saying it here, that once the person whosoever is listening to this, mine and your connect, when that person will be entering inside the pageant, and they'll look at this, that you will be giving equal importance to everyone. And this affected me so much. This took my heart away, you can say, when I was there in the sessions. And I that's why I love you and Karan sir. You know it, that I just both, I love you both. And I told you this.
so
So
sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So, Nancy, thank you again for so many praises. But then I also would want to know that then you were chosen as the reigning queen for Miss Capital of India 2019. So since then, how did your journey in life change? How did the society take as and how did you react? How did you feel? How did the society react? I want to know that as well.
yeah, so I will start it with my area, that when you can you can see the change, a very big change in the people's mind, and pehle ye hota hai, the people say like this, the girls will not be able to do something, or any person who is trying to do something different than others, and that person is always looked in a different way. So I can say, but when I became the winner and when my name was there in the newspaper, so everyone started coming at my place and congratulating my parents at the same time. And I got so many wishes from everyone, and it actually changed my life, because a different kind of respect I started getting from people. And I have experienced this myself, that after becoming a beauty queen and the winner of Miss Capital of India 2019, I have gained a very different kind of respect. You are doing job, you can be doing something else, but when you do such things different than others, then you get a very different kind of respect, and you can love from others. So they respect you in a different way. I will not say that the people who are not the, who are not participating in all these things are not taken that way. They are all respected, and everyone is going doing good in their ways, in their lives. But yes, but I want to say that becoming a beauty queen and a winner of Miss Capital of India is gave me a different level of love, and from people's side, and different kind of respect. They used to see me like this. Oh, ye hai wo. Okay, okay. So yeah, so this kind of love, this is the respect which I am discussing with you right now, that अच्छा ये है वो, okay, ये नैन्सी रडवाल है ना, winner of Miss Capital of India 2019. Yeah, okay, so nice to see you. That kind of love I started getting.
So
So it is
that's so
there.
nice that you got all the love, and I'm sure a lot of blessings from a lot of people around. So of course, it's just that basically, when you earn a crown, as I
Yeah,
always say, you have to earn it. So you earned the
earn it.
crown. Yes. So
Yes.
you've earned it, and then of course, you have a different level in the society, wherein people start, maybe idolizing you as well. So yes, and you believed in yourself, and that's the reason you are there. So
Exactly.
very, very, very
Even
nice, Nancy.
after winning, I can say that my first quote, which I put it on my social media, was that, once I was talking to my mother, this was my quote, you can say, that once I was sitting and talking to my mother, and I was asking for a crown. So my mother is like this always, that जो लेना है वो तो खरीद के मिल जाता है. So if you want to earn something, go and participate and earn. So yeah, so I did it, and she is a kind of best friend to me, and my answer also, I'll be revealing it later on, not right now. So yeah, and I can say that I think I missed it earlier. That like I did research. How I did it? That I started. The checking the page of Fashion Miraki, I started checking earlier contestants, that who's the winner, and I started searching their profile. So I am a very deep person who goes deep inside everything and then try to learn something. So I started checking all this, and that's how I did my research. So you can also go to the sites, Fashion Miraki page, or whosoever is the winner, you can go through that profile, and then you can decide, that yes, I think you will be able to decide that yes, this is the good platform.
Yes, yes, I think that's a very, very good suggestion that you've given to the viewers, and I'm sure they'll make the most of it. So, Nancy, I also want to check with you that you were given an opportunity to be on the other side of the table, wherein you had to judge another pageant of Fashion Miraki, and you were the jury. So,
Yeah.
how did you choose the other winner? Did you find your qualities in her? How did you go ahead and make your decision?
Okay. So first of all, I will be saying thanks to you that I was there a part of jury, and again it was a wonderful experience to me, also sitting the opposite to the place where I was standing 1 year back, and judging someone else. You can't state the judgment, because the judges who are sitting there never judge anyone. They're not sitting actually to judge you. They just see and appreciate your qualities, and they just check that your what kind of personality you are carrying. Are you real? You are not, or you are faking yourself. So these are the things which they do sit there and check. And if you will ask me that what kind of qualities I checked while sitting as a jury, so one thing which matters to me, people always say this, that you have to be confident. But what is confidence? There are so many people who doesn't know the meaning of confidence actually.
Exactly.
Because confidence is not a single word that you have to stand like, with shoulders like this and you have to start walking. That is not confidence. Confidence comes inside you. Confidence is a combination of three four things. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you're presenting yourself, how much real you are. So this is a combination, that comes out as a confidence, and the judge can see that. So anything whatever you are doing, the person whosoever is sitting as a judge, I can say that person will be able to see everything in you, and they'll just see it and they'll give their decision that way.
So now, you understood when we used to tell you in your, trainings that you need to walk with confidence, what it actually meant. Because yes, as you just pointed out, you were very correct in pointing out that, confidence comes from within. It's just not, superficial. It has to
Yeah.
come from within. And I believe, once you were on the other side, you came to know what exactly confidence means.
Yeah,
So,
some I say girls take confidence in a very different way. That when you're walking on stage, I just want to highlight it because this is my personal experience and I have experienced it. Till the time it is not told to you that you have to walk in a certain way, you have to be real to yourself. Because sometimes girls take it in a very different way. That if you'll tell them that you have to be confident, they'll stop smiling. They'll be kind of that, or that thing that that standing rigid and not smiling and showing those kind of you can say that not attitude we can say, but that face, that where someone can see the confidence, but that's not confidence. Confidence can come through your smile also. Confidence, you have to carry your aura, and that will be something which make you the winner.
very,
So
very
never take confidence in a different tone, or if it's confidence, you never have to be like this, that you're not smiling at all. You have to be very presentable, very smiling, and to be real to yourself.
that's absolutely correct. So Nancy, tell us about your winning question. What question was asked to you, or maybe what you answered. So let's know something about that question.
Okay. So I was asked, I was very nervous, I can say, at the time, because I I never think I was very good to everyone, all the contestants. I never had in my mind, because that I should be the only winner. I always thought that whosoever will deserve the best will be the winner, should be the winner. So when I was selected in top 10, so I was very happy. I was like, okay, now I'm in top 10, so now question and answer round will be there. So I went on the stage and I was asked a very good question, very common question, and I must I want to share it with all of you. That questions are nothing big. Questions are very good and genuine, but you have to be very smart enough to give answers. And actually, saying this term that you have to be smart enough giving answers, it doesn't mean you have to become extra smart in giving answers and showing different personality than what you are. But yes, you have to be smart. It means you have to be, again I'm repeating this line, you have to be real to yourself. Whatever comes from inside of you, give that answer only. Because whatever you will start faking, they'll catch it, I can say. Yeah, so my question was, who is your idol in your life?
Okay.
So as I mentioned earlier, that I'll be revealing it later what my answer was. So my answer was that my idol is my mother. And my mother is a kind of woman I have experienced. She's very brave. Staying in that area, like, and the area not Himachal, I stay in Jalamukhi. So staying in that area, she always taught me to be myself, to never to listen anyone. Till the time you are doing something good, you will be good, and to always stay positive. And she is herself very brave woman in life. So she always taught me all these qualities, that you have to be brave enough. You don't need any other person in your life. You have to push yourself to you do your best. No one else will come ever in your life to do anything for you. So you are the person who will be changing your life, who will be doing everything. So she herself, I gave, and I mentioned it very clearly, that there was a time in my life and my family's life that if she was not there, then we would have not been wherever we are today. So yeah, so I have learned a lot of things from her, and this was only my answer there.
Wonderful, wonderful. So yes, then again, it's the same thing that you really have to be true, and the answer should come from within, and that's what you did, maybe, and that's how you, are wearing this crown. And let me also tell you that you are looking wonderful. I'm so sorry I did not comment on you before, but you're looking lovely, and this crown is really, really suiting you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is my favorite color again, which I'm wearing right now. So I thought I'll be wearing this and it will make me look more prettier, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. So, Nancy, I would want to know more about, what, work assignments, because you wanted to do modeling and you wanted to be a model ever since. So once,
Mhm.
Fashion Miracle happened, what happened, how, what all work did you do and how did you go ahead and, complete those assignments?
Have done shoots, and before even winning this pageant, becoming winner of Miss Capital of India, I did print shoots for Flipkart and Amazon. And at the same time, after winning this pageant, I got so many opportunities. When you become a winner and when you do such things, you get a lot of opportunities. People come to you and give assignments. Then it is in your hand, you want to do or not. So whatever
Exactly.
you like, you can select. And if you want to, if ten things are coming to you, you are the only person who can select that I want to do only one, or you want to do all the 10 things which are offered to you. So yeah, I have done recently, I have done Flipkart ad film. It is for toogood.com, and I have did collaboration thing, the photo shoot with two photographers. Yeah, so it suddenly, the lockdown was there. So anything, like I have done print shoots, I have done I did fashion show in Chandigarh. It was in the lockdown period only. So lockdown, you can say it was a blessing to me. So I got so many opportunities, and I have got another one. I'll not be revealing it, because I the anti-climax theory. So yeah, and it is the good one. But as I always say, I need your blessings and blessings from all of you, that I should succeed in that thing.
Our blessings are always with you, Nancy, and it's with people who really want to work and who want to explore themselves. So yes, you are doing wonders, and I know that Of course, we are talking about more about lockdown because once you were crowned, the lockdown started. I mean, there was hardly any gap in between the lockdown and you being crowned. So even during the lockdown, you are doing wonders, and you're doing so many things. So that
Yeah.
itself shows that how dedicated you are and how hardworking you are.
I
So
have started online classes also where I am teaching few girls about some things, the grooming things. So
that's
yeah, it was
wonderful.
again, yeah, it is again the blessing of Fashion Miraki. You can say that they are believing in me because they know that I am a
We are Nancy. We are the ones who could show you the path, but then how you do it is definitely upon you. And you've taken everything very positively. As you said, you're a positive girl, and you are working towards all your goals, which be it small, be it big. You are working towards it, and we can actually see and feel it. I want to know, why would you recommend Fashion Miraki to other contestants?
I can say Fashion Miraki is the best pageant in entire Delhi NCR, or I think which till the time I have experienced myself, that Fashion Miraki is the best platform where you can see yourself and whatever. You don't have to think, because when I entered inside the pageant, I never thought I'll be the winner. That's a very true thing which I am telling you all, that I never thought that I'll be the winner. It depends on you again, that what you will be doing and what how you will be giving your best. Again I'll be saying that you don't need to be better than anyone else. You just have to be the best of yourself, so that will be helping you to win the crown. Okay. Otherwise, as I am saying that Fashion Miraki is a platform, even if you will not be the winner, and the classes which you will be attending there, and the sessions and everything, and you'll be meeting two wonderful persons there. So they'll be kind of very they'll create a change in your life, and you'll see it yourself, I can say. You'll be after coming out of this, all this, when you'll be your finale will be done, and you'll be maybe you are the top 20 finalists, or maybe you are the top 40, or whatever you are. Okay. So whenever you'll be coming out, you'll see yourself in a different place, and at a different place yourself you can see that you're a different person, you're a very groomed person. It can help you in all the ways, because I can suggest also that if someone doesn't want to continue also in this field, but yeah, the grooming sessions and whatever I have experienced can be wonderful to you in so many other fields. Once you're groomed, you are very very good in every field. It will be helping you in if you're doing a job, if you're doing something else, it will be helpful in every way, I can say. Yeah, so Fashion Miraki gives you a platform where you can where you can see a different version of yourself, I can say. So I don't think there's any other better platform than this, that you have you'll be getting a platform where you can see a different person of yourself. So I don't think there's anything much better than this thing which I believe. So yeah, Fashion Miraki just wonders, and Fashion Miraki is doing wonders. And I think people see it, that how many girls from Mrs. Capital of India, Miss Capital of India, even if they are not the winners, maybe I am the winner, but maybe other girls who are not the winners even, but they are doing wonders in this industry. And I can say that it depends on your choices. As I said, that you will get the opportunities, so it depends on you, that you will be selecting all the 10. You want to select one, you want to select two, or three, or four.
Exactly.
So yeah,
You
it
cannot,
doesn't.
yeah, you cannot have the opportunity. We will be giving you opportunities day in and day out, but it's on to you as to how you want to go ahead and explore that opportunity. You cannot keep sitting at the house and saying that ऑडिशन नहीं क्लियर हो रहा, या तो ऑडिशन जाना जाना पड़ेगा ऑडिशन देने के लिए, and you really have to go and do it. So
Yes, exactly.
yes, so that's from me.
And
Nancy.
that's not done yet. So I also want to ask you, and I want to add few things in this thing. And
So
I, yeah. So
good.
I want to say Okay. And again, I want to say one thing that, as I know you and I know Karan sir, and you both are doing wonders in this industry, and you are creating, we say doctors are the doctors that change life, they give a new life to someone. So the same way you give new life to all those contestants who are the finalists. I must say this, that because as I said earlier, that once you'll be out of all those sessions and after clearing your finale, you will see that you are given a new birth. I can say you are a different
Oh my
person.
God.
So yeah, so that ways, and that's why so that's looking at all that, I want to ask you that, who is because I am also I also get inspired from you. So, and I always see that, how did you do all this? So I want to know that who was your inspiration, to always stay motivated in your life and to do all this and to always stay positive. Because not me only, I know that you are a very positive person, and I have learned so many things from you only. So yeah, you can share this.
Well, thank you so much for all the compliments. I'm actually speechless. I really have no words what to say and how to react to these things. But I can just be grateful and thankful to you. So yes, I would say that there's a new learning, Nancy, every day. So, your inspiration can never be one. I think I get inspired by I think every day I get inspired by something or the other. So, of course, when you're little, you get inspired by your parents, your teachers, and anything like that. But, once you grow up, you can also be inspired and motivated from a very young child. So the inspiration, that if you say that how you get inspired and motivated, I would say that you have to keep yourself motivated all the time. So there is a lot of learning from a lot of people, and I would just say that whatever knowledge and uh, learning that you can get from anybody is a good motivator and inspiration to you. So
Yeah,
I cannot just keep any one person as a motivator. I would say that you yourself is the biggest motivator for yourself.
exactly, exactly. And I do agree with that, because people who can get, motivated from every little thing in their life, I think they only, get everything in a good way, and they do everything in a good way, and they become the most successful persons. Because, it's very tough. It's very easy actually to see this, that that person is not doing this thing right. But it's very tough to see this, that, what you can learn from that person also. Because we see what we are. So if you are a negative person, you will always see the negative thing, and if you are a positive person, you will get everything in a positive way, and you will motivate yourself, and you will learn everything, every small thing from every person, I can say.
Very
Yeah.
true. Very true.
So next thing, I would like to ask that how did you spend your lockdown period, and how did you pass your time during this period, and what did you do all? And as I said, I know you are a positive person, so I want to know that how did you spend your time?
So, of course, the lockdown had been tough on everyone. The main key to sustain this lockdown was, of course, being positive. So, what actually I did was a lot of self analysis. I actually thought about my future, about how I can reach those goals that I have made for myself. So yes, I made very small goals which I'm trying to achieve, and a lot of self introspection that went through. So this is how I actually passed my time through lockdown, and I have a lot of I've done a lot of planning. It's just that now I have to go ahead and materialize those goals that I've made for myself. So this is what I did during lockdown.
The best thing you have done, and the planning, I can say, planning is the best thing which anyone, because just sitting at home and saying this that nothing is happening, you can, utilize your time. Maybe you can do plannings. You can see your future how you want it, and you can. I can suggest, keep a pen, take a pen,
Yes,
and take a diary and start noting everything what you want, what you don't want, and you can plan your things, and that will be the best thing which you can do in your free time. So you
definitely.
have done, and I can say that today again I have learned something new. So yeah.
No, because yes, planning is really, really required in anything you do. I think you can never do anything without a plan. So you need to really plan your, your deeds, whatever you want to do. You have to plan it, and it can be long-term plans, it can be short-term plans. But I am a very, I actually, if you think about me, I actually make very short term plans because I know that those plans, of course, I can achieve it. And once I achieve those plans, I again make some more small, short term plans. So this is how I actually reach to the long term ones. So you need to keep moving ahead, and that's the mantra of you know being able to achieve what you desire.
एग्जैक्टली किसी चीज को शिद्दत से पाने की कोशिश करो तो सारी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने में लग जाती है.
Well,
So life,
well,
and actually very true. This is true.
this is very true. Yes.
This is very true. Whatever you desire, if you really want to, be that there and be that person what you are desiring and you are seeing yourself into, you will be there. But just believe in yourself and you will be doing wonders. You don't know even what you can do. So just do
Exactly.
whatever you
That's very true, actually, because when you actually get into a position, only then you actually know what strength you have. Sometimes you really don't know, what strength you have till the time you are into it. So that's definitely true. So it was, wonderful having a conversation with you, Nancy, today. And thank you, all the viewers and Nancy, for giving us time today at Fashion Meraki Connect. Please follow us on the YouTube channel for Fashion Meraki and also our Facebook page for Fashion Meraki. Till the end, the next episode would await you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye, ma'am. It was pleasure joining you here and thank you so much for inviting me. It's always lovely talking to you.
Same
Thank you
here.
so much.
Same here. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.